Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you something that most people in the meme coin space are completely overlooking. And the truth is that the easiest way to make money from meme coins has nothing to do with trading them. It has everything to do with creating the coins instead. While traders are out here buying these coins and getting workload, we are launching meme coins over and over again and making thousands of dollars on each launch from the creator fees and from our supply. That is exactly why I dev meme coins. It's extremely profitable and a bunch of people are getting insanely rich from creating these coins. Now in this video, I will show you exactly how to dev a meme coin with my strategy. Everything will be done live on camera. I am not here to sell you a course or to gatekeep, so if you are tired of losing money, this video is for you. Now a lot of people on this app are making videos to sell you a course, but I do not sell a course. I do not sell anything. In fact, I will show you exactly how I create coins with my strategy. That is it. Let's go. Now the process of launching a coin is extremely easy. Here's exactly how these devs are making millions of dollars all from launching coins. All they're doing is finding narratives online, making the coin, okay, on Radium, on Pump.Fun, on any DEX. They're launching the coin, they're waiting for buyers, and then they just sell their supply into all the buying pressure. They make money from the creator fees and from the supply that they just sold. And that's exactly how people are printing from deving. Me personally, bro, I'm making thousands of dollars every single day from launching a couple coins, and I will show you exactly in this video how to create coins with my strategy. I will show you every single step into funding a narrative, launching the coin, and then obviously cashing out, okay, with a live example. It costs nothing, and that's exactly why I love deving. Let's go. And by the way, guys, everything is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so before the FBI kicks on my door, I just want to be clear that everything is for educational purposes only. But yes, bro, obviously I do make money from deving. I just want to be clear that I do not condone any financial advice. Yeah. Now a lot of people have been asking me where and how I make my meme coins. Now here's the truth. I do not launch my coins on Pump.Fun like most meme coin devs, okay? Pump.Fun in my eyes is over competitive, and I've launched a bunch of coins here and no one buys them. Okay, it's simply oversaturated and over competitive. There's hundreds of coins being launched every single second on Pump.Fun, and most of them go nowhere. As you guys can see, the numbers speak for themselves. It's a waste of time. So instead, I make my coins on Radium directly. Basically, the Radium DEX is 10 times better than Pump.Fun. There is more attention and it's less competitive. As you guys can see, meme coins on Radium actually gets buyers. They actually pump, and that is exactly why I love launching on Radium. Okay, it's insane. It's untapped. Now, to launch a meme coin on Radium, you guys need to be using a launchpad called launchmemes.io. It's the best launchpad for Radium, okay? And that's exactly why people are gatekeeping this launchpad. Now, here's exactly how to actually launch a coin on launchmemes.io. You have a couple options, right? You can create your own coin from scratch. So if you have any narrative, you can make a coin out of it. Just put the name, symbol, and logo. It's as simple as that. Or you can use the free X tracker and you can turn tweets into coins. This could be extremely profitable if good tweets comes out. Like for example, Elon Musk or Trump or someone made a tweet. You could turn that into a meme coin instantly, right? But in this video, we will be using my favorite strategy, which is copying coins. I've made all my bread, all my crypto from this method, bro. It's a rinse and repeat strategy. Basically, every single meme coin here is going viral. They're all gaining a bunch of attention on Pump.Fun, which means they're proven to get buyers. So we're just going to be copying one coin here for Radium, right? And making money from that copy for ourselves, all from using one of these narratives you guys will see with a live dev right now. So first of all, bro, make sure obviously your Phantom White is connected, and let's now copy a coin, right? I don't care about the narrative, by the way. I go for anything. They're all good. They're all here, okay? So for me, bro, for example, I'm gonna just go for a random one. I'm gonna copy this one, National Trust Fund System. Click on copy the Radium. Your Phantom will show up, and the warning. This is normal, by the way. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and the coin will be actually created on Solana. Just wait. And boom, now let's create the liquidity pool. Here is where we create a supply for our meme coin like that. It can go to Iridium. That is the whole point. Now for the amount of coins for your coin, make sure you always click on 90% for all your launches. It's perfect, it's enough, okay? For the amount of SOL to pair, put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 SOL. You are not going to lose this. This is how much you are buying in for some supply like that. You can make money if the coin gets buyers. That is really important. By the end of the launch, when you cash out, this will come back, so it is not lost. Okay, just make that clear. Click on create pool, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then now the coin will be launched and live. Okay, people will be able to see the coin. Boom, as you guys can see, click on refresh once, and boom, now it's live. You have all your settings, you have your P&L counter, you have everything ready. Let's go see the chart. Go on your trading platform, okay, and go find your coin. And as you guys can see, it's already pumping from the Iridium DEX. This is exactly what we like to see, guys. If you come back to launchmemes.io and you click on refresh, you guys can see that we're already up $300 in profit because people are buying our coin now, and that is insane. Within seconds, guys, we're up $300. As you guys can see, okay, it's so bullish. This is why I love deving, bro. You guys have to stop doing what you're doing, and you guys need to start launching coins with my strategy. It's insane. I'm gonna let the coin pump for a bit. When I come back, I will show you how to cash out. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, our coin is up a lot, bro. I hope you too, your coin goes up like this, maybe like half of this or even more than me. It doesn't matter, bro. Let's cash this out. Come back to launch memes, click on refresh, and as you guys can see, we're up 2.7k from this launch alone, bro. That's light work within like 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Let's cash out. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then you should be fully out of the name and the coin. Boom, we made our money from deving, and as you guys can see, boom, 2.6k is in my Phantom wallet for educational purposes only. Launch memes will be linked down below, guys. Just stay consistent and launch. Do not give up. Even if you make like $100, bro, it's not a big deal. Just launch. And if you want to have the chance to win 10 Solana like this when you're right here, just like, subscribe, and make sure you comment and join my Telegram group down below, bro, for all the steps and to enter.